Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account will be deleted in 29 days Gmail. For example, if you are having this kind of error in your Gmail account and this says your account doesn't work because you are not old enough to have an unsupervised Google account. This kind of error usually occurs due to false age provided on your Google account, which means if you have provided your birthday or age under 13, then this kind of error will be occurred. But if you do not provide under 13 age or any kind of like that, then you can simply fix that. If you have provided under 13 age, then you can simply update your age so that you can use your Google account correctly. So in this way, for this you have to simply provide your correct birthday, and you can also if do not provide, you have to provide your credit card or government issued ID so that you can simply provide the verification for the Google account. And if you cannot do, then you can simply follow the steps described in this video. So what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first step is as that what you have to do, you have to simply open the link provided in the description of the video, and after that what you have to do, you can simply open the description link, and after that you have to scroll it down and you have to simply read all the requirements, and here you have to click on update your account to meet age requirements. And here you have to simply click on that. If this link doesn't work, then there is also another link which is as that age requirements on Google accounts. So here you have to scroll it down until you find this kind of option. So here you have to click on update your account to meet age requirements, and after that you have to scroll it down and you have to simply provide your details and you have to change your click on verify your age, and after that you have to click on verify your age. You have to provide your government ID or credit card, and after you provide all the details, your account will be reactivated again and you will not see any kind of error like that. Your account will be deleted in 29 days. So before while creating Google account, you have to make sure that you do not provide your birthday under 13 because if you provide your age under 13, then Google will delete your account after it mentions your account will be deleted in 29 days. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.